What is your prayer in this case, Mr. Ali?
Lordship, my prayer.
जवाब आ गया है क्या?
No, my lord. The reply is updated.
क्यों नहीं आया जवाब?
The letter has been issued in 2022 itself, my lord. Thereafter, it was not listed.
बाईस पे तो नोटिस हो गया था मैडम.
My lord.
No part 22 के.
Letter was.
What about service to 3 and 4? Why Madrasa board is read as the respondent?
He is working under the.
What is your prayer?
My prayer is, your lordship, to issue a direction to the respondent number 2 to pay the petitioner in compliance of circular dated 6/10/18, your lordship.
अरे ये तो डिसाइड हो गया डिवीजन बेंच से. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जीत गई ना इसमें. अभी तो मुकदमा लड़े थे. ग्रेचुटी का केस था क्या? हाँ. Whether the grantee and school, whether the state is liable to pay gratuity or schools are liable to pay. That was the case. It was we were successful from the single bench. Perhaps it has been set aside by the division bench. Find out the judgment. इसका 3 और 4 का सर्विस देखना. Find out the judgment. Passport में reference.
Not.
Either set aside or by confirm. I am not sure, but this issue has been decided by. In my case, your. अच्छा ये ग्रांट इन एड नहीं क्या मतलब स्कूल है ना ये तो.
Yes, sir.
स्कूल है ना.
Yes, sir.
ग्रांट इन एड स्कूल है क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Just ask Mr. Amrito Das or Manoj Paranjpe. Just talk to them. Single bench allowed the petition, directed the state government to pay the gratuity. Perhaps it was set aside by the division bench. But that after my
Appeal of the state has been allowed by the.
coming to this side.
The appeal of the state has been allowed.
सर्विस रिपोर्ट देखो ना.
Appeal number 194 of 21. The judgment dated 10 March 2024.
बहुत स्कूल बंद हो जाएंगे इसमें. बंद हो जाएंगे. सब बिक जाएगा उनका. 194/21 W है ना.
Yes. They have filed the appeal Supreme Court. The private schools have filed.
नहीं हमको हम तो अभी it was argued by me in the single bench.
Yes. I have read that.
I remember that. But when the appeal was filed, by the time appeal is decided,
they don't have funds to give.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसको. State is bound to take because they are functioning as a government school.
Okay.
See, government cannot open school in every place. So naturally, the schools opened by the private societies. If you grant them grant in aid, meaning thereby they are performing the duties of the state. They are extending they are imparting the education, isn't it?
And the state has. The state has floated the scheme. My lord, the state has to pay for that. My lord, without the consent of the private schools, they have put. And after 2013 के बाद का स्टेट दे दिया है उसे पे.
हाँ 2013 के बाद दिया है. That is a cut off date. अमेंडमेंट जब हुआ ग्रेचुटी एक्ट में.
जी जी.
हाँ. उसी को तो चैलेंज किए थे हमने. There cannot be discrimination. Cut off date cannot be a. दिक्कत है मिस्टर.
अच्छा.
आप एक काम करो.
अच्छा.
I'll grant you permission to file a case against them in payment of gratuity act under the payment of gratuity act. Because it would require evidence कि कितना gratuity आपका होगा, कितनी तनख्वाह है, क्या आदि क्या होगा.
अच्छा.
है ना. देखिए the petitioner has filed it. क्योंकि स्टेट से तो अभी मिलेगा नहीं. स्टेट को भले पार्टी बना लीजिएगा वहां पर. because it is